Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been way too long, as my friend Taylor would say. It's been forever. I just wanted to create this video for you guys. I've been rocking synthetic wigs for like a month straight now, and I have a couple of different ones that I love. So I just wanted to create a wig lookbook for you guys, just showing you my favorite ones, and you can slay with a synthetic wig, and it's hella cheap, so why not, you know? So if you guys want to check out my favorite wigs, all of my wigs that I am going to be showing you today, they are Bobbi Boss wigs. I've either went to my local wig store or I purchased them off of sogoodbb.com. I believe that's the website. I'm gonna leave it linked down below. Yeah, like look at this one right here. Like, I feel so freaking cute in this wig. I never thought that a blunt cut would fit me so well, especially a blonde blunt cut, but I'm obsessed with it. Enough of me talking, and I guess we could just check out my favorite wigs. Bye guys.
Next level.